As you're able to see, this is Chulaimbo Hospital. It's a wonderful hospital that, though with minimal resources, does cater to a fair bit of the local community's maternal population. We do have, these are 3 dedicated buildings that we are going to be using to not only rack the solar panels, but these will be our generation, our solar generation hubs. We are in the process of reinforcing the roofs. Over the course of last week, we were able to finish the whole of this particular building. So this one has been finished. You'll actually get to see, we are on site. Our guys been working out here. Get a look at the roof. So this will enable this facility to be able to enjoy a serious power independence. It isn't well used.